Guys, we got a 2024 Toyota GR86 in that grabber blue paint coming to the shop today, getting the infamous Muffy D. Still got the paper tag on the car. He just picked it up. He was like, first thing I gotta do is come through G-Exhaust, get that muffler deleted, throw on some carbon fiber tips, looking sick on my GR86. This is the stock muffler right here, looking huge, like a freaking suitcase, if you know if you can tell right there. Does nothing for the car. All it does is make it sound like a Prius. So you got to remove one of those. Go ahead and come through, put a muffler delete on there so you can get your car sounding right. Let's go over the rest of the system right now, actually. So stock comes down from the headers. You got the catalytic converter there, then it goes into this backfire reducer, then into a resonator, then it comes out, goes into a white pipe, and into the muffler delete. Now stock, it would just come straight from there, going into the single little pipe in the back of the muffler right there, extending to two stock tips. But with the muffler delete, we throw a white pipe in there, run some pipe, and hit it with some sweet carbon fiber tips. Alright, so the 86 is all done, looking clean. You see those G-Exhaust carbon fiber tips on the back of that, looking fresh. If you want any exhaust on your car, if you have a Toyota, if you have a Nissan, whatever you got, pull up to G-Exhaust Davie or G-Exhaust Oakland. Our website is up as well too. You can go to gexhaust.com and look for any parts for your vehicle. And if you have any questions, drop a comment, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, all the platforms, and just shoot us a DM or call us and we'll help you with anything. But let's look a little bit more at this GR86, looking clean. The new body style is pretty nice. I mean, it looks more like a Subi, but they all look the same, to be honest. The infotainment system looks dope. It's stick shift, so that's dope. Still has the e-brake, which a lot of these newer cars, they have that, the little switch e-brake. You can't drift in that. You're gonna break your freaking e-brake. Got the suede seats, keeping it pretty Toyota-esque. Got the digital dash, looking fresh. These cars are clean. Do some work to them, you can turbo these things, get them pushing some power. But everybody knows the infamous GR86 to have the 200 HP. But do some work to it, you could probably get 300. Who knows? But if you have any questions, guys, or you want to say anything, just drop a comment. G-Exhaust out.